Hey guys, this is the 2012 Honda CR-V. It has just over 116,000 miles. It has a 2.4 liter i4 engine and 5-speed automatic transmission. Lots of trunk space. Floor mats are included. Extra storage on the sides. Quick look at the back. And for the interior, there are electronic window controls. Look at the side storage there. Electronic seat controls, decon button, and traction control. Look at the gas tank cap and parking brake. Steering wheel controls with talk activation phone controls, music controls, and controls for this display here. Audio display with HVAC controls there, gear shift there, seat warmers here, charging there, cup holders, storage here with charging down in there, and a look at the storage here. And on this side. And there's also a sunroof here with its controls. And take a quick look at the back. And that's about it. So, if you'd like to purchase this vehicle, call 301-822-2327 or visit shoppinghonda.com.